y'all. So I'm going to do a very nice summer makeup look for you guys today. So I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I'm just gonna get straight into the video. I'm just putting some concealer, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I know some outer products, so when you see the container them look a bit empty, wanna just bear with me. Your girl is restocking soon, so I'm just, you know, I'm gonna just finish them up. So I'm just going in with a brown eyeshadow, and I'm taking that right into the crease area, and I'm just blending and building that up as we go along. So right above that brown, I'm just adding some orange there, and we're just doing the same thing, blending it out. And we're also adding some yellow to it, and we're just blending that out nice and smooth. So it's time to cut that crease, and you know we're going in with our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, the same concealer that we use for the brows. We're using it right now to cut our crease, and you just take your time and create the shape that you want, and everything will be good from there. So we're going back in with that same brown that we used earlier, and we're just cleaning up the harsh line that the concealer left right there. So we're just blending that out nice and smooth. So now for some colors. So we're using the Jamrock palette today, and we're going in with that nice orange. Look how nice that looks. Oh my god, we're just building that up. We're doing it about halfway on the lid, and you know, yeah. So we're going back in with that same brush. We're not using any product on it, and we're just blending the brown and the orange together to create that nice ombre look. We don't want a harsh line, so we're just blending that together, and we're just building up the orange until we have a nice little coverage that we like. And we're going in with this beautiful yellow. Look how that color pops, and that was just one press. Come on, you know. And then, you know, we're going to blend out the harsh line, of course. So we're going to blend the orange and the yellow together, and you know, create that nice smooth ombre effect. So just go and pat on your yellow and get this look together. So it's time to draw that wing, and we're just going with a nice wing, nothing too dramatic, nothing too extra, just something that will complement the look. Talk to me nice. Talk to me what? Talk to me nice. You know the vibe. Y'all know the vibe. So, she we are using right now. Makeup wear. Look for the time, tell us someone blend out good. Can't you see? Up there, and most of the time, blend out good. Come on. So to highlight the face, we're using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So we're using that under our eyes, the bridge of our nose, on our chin, and on our forehead. So we're going in right over the concealer. We're using our banana powder, the Sacha Buttercup banana powder, and we're just pressing that into the concealer. We don't want it to crease, we don't want it to move. So we're just using that powder, just, you know, to let that concealer stay in place. And you guys know I don't bake a toast. I might start baking, but not for long. But yeah, for now, we're toasting. So guys, the same brown eyeshadow that we used earlier is the same shadow I'm using to contour my face. You guys know I'm low on products at this moment, so we're just improvising and it works pretty well. So you know, the eyeshadow can, you know, is multi-purpose. So if you don't have a product, you don't killing yourself or, you know, stressing yourself because you don't have it, because you guys can improvise like I'm doing right here. So we're just going in with some pressed powder in all the areas that didn't get any highlight or contouring. So we're just setting that foundation in place. Let me get into, I don't know what my spray done and highlight, so let's skip all of that today. Let's skip that. When I say improvise, I mean improvise. So you guys see the brush I'm using on my lip? I'm actually using the concealer on my lip. The same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. That's what I'm using, baby. And look at this. I just pop some gloss on that and bam. I mean that. So guys, this is the finished look on the Thermomukwan Gold Bottom. Talk to me down in the comments. Talk to me down in the comments. And why not watch my video and not subscribe? I love this. Okay, help me out. I love this. I love that. Just subscribe. No one press. So just please. I beg. Go to the subscribe from here. And share the video and tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe and like the video and all of the niceness. Then big no, please.
I put that up there and I'm like, you know.
No, man.
Yes, about it. Hear your voice.
Like an apple.
Down there. Come through the spirit there.
Yeah, but early morning vibes.
Yeah.
Rum for breakfast.
I sit in a shop before you turn over.
You better. So guys, this is the finished look. What? Oh yeah, girl. So yeah, wanna tell me what's going on? What's going on? I look like my beard and come out, you know. Me like it, so I'm not telling you if you don't like it. Don't tell me. If you don't like it, because me like it. So until next time. Bye guys.